Hi everyone. Today we are all gathered here to have a group discussion on the topic, are part-time jobs good for the students or not? So our team will be speaking against the topic and the other team will be speaking for the topic. So to begin with, my first point is that doing a part-time job often puts a person into a pressure in which he or she is not able to perform academically better. In a lot of instances we have seen that when a person goes abroad, because the trend of doing part-time jobs is quite prevalent abroad rather than in India, so he or she is less focused on what he or she is performing academically and is more focused to get the part-time wages and earn through some source or the other. So, according to me, earning a few $1,000s would not help a person to attain a career or a goal that he or she wants to pursue in the long term future. So, it is better for one to focus on on the degree that he or she is pursuing for a stable and a proficient career ahead.
I would say students should do part-time jobs during studies. As yeah, I can agree with your point that they can build up the pressure, but I think it is better for the students that they can very used to it for the pressure, because after the studies they have to have the pressure on themselves. So I think if they're very used to with the pressure, so it is very easier for them in the future, so that they can easily maintain or manage the pressure. And I also want to state one more point that they can become financially independent, like they can give a small amount of money to their parents, so that they can not be a burden to their parents. And I think they bridges the gap between their parents, that how to like become socially or independent and how to become more independent. So I think students should do part-time jobs.
In my perspective, that all students are not able to handle the pressure during exam time. How can a student handle their part-time jobs even if they are working at late night, so they are not able to put 100% in that work with an efficient manner? So how we can say that part-time jobs are better for students?
But in my perspective, if the student will be financially independent, if they do work, they help the time management, both of the thing. In starting they face a problem, but while that they will able to disciplines and work the balance properly on time management. So there is a role of time management between the students and the work. They will able to perform better on that situation, and they will be more responsible on that things, and they will feel confidence while doing all these things, and they will able to balance all the situations in a very efficient way.
Talking about time management is a very day-to-day topic that we learn every day. If in the present I talk about myself, I go to my internship, I come home, I do the remaining work of the internship. So I feel doing part-time work would double or triple the amount of workload on a person, and it the person might feel very pressurized to perform better in each and every aspect, because he will have the thought that he has to perform good in his academics, perform good at his job, then only he'll get paid for doing that. So to be under a lot of pressure in that moment, because growing up we are not adjusted to such environments, because here our parents are taking care of us and we do not have to even think twice about getting something or doing something. We just have to focus on our studies, and focusing on our studies also reflects in our academic performance. It is quite noticed that if someone is deeply invested in doing one thing, he or she can produce more efficient results and more productiveness in their work. So if a person gets distracted by such things, like for working and for doing any other extracurricular activities, it is quite noticed that this might lead uh, have bad impacts on their health as well. For example, if a person works in the morning, then they have their assignments, then they will have to wake up late, stay up late in the night to complete that assignment. So there is no life balance, the person does not get enough sleep, so this will result in somewhere getting depressed of the situation and trying to get rid of it. So managing time will happen when you can manage it, but if you pressurize yourself and burden yourself with the extra work, that is not much required. So in my perspective, I think that is unnecessary and that can be avoided to build a better future. For example, when a person goes outside, he or she, what she does, does a waitress job serving coffees, what will this give to the individual, how it will impact him? It will build patience. But what is the factor of patience if I am doing an engineering degree? That will not help me in my career in a long term aspect. So thinking about that, there are a lot of perspectives that we need to keep in mind. I didn't say much.
You said that if someone is doing waitress job, so it didn't teach much, but I think experience matters the most.
Experience will not matter in an engineering degree. I will work as an IT engineer tomorrow in a big
So you have to
MNC
choose
company.
the another part-time job that will be beneficial for.
What opportunities do you get abroad other than this?
Part-time job doesn't mean that you have to learn something from that thing. It just you have to become more patient, more consistent toward that work, that if in future you will be having that kind of issue, so you know how to handle it, how to deal with it. Because I think theoretical knowledge can't teach you that lesson, and in life, like practical knowledge is very important. And you know, in India, theory knowledge is more like in schools we already study theoretical knowledge, okay, but in real life practical knowledge plays a vital role. So I don't think so that any kind of part-time job doesn't give you anything. You don't have, you take things from that particular thing. So I think part-time jobs is very beneficial for the students.
What I believe is when people tend to students tend to engage in part-time jobs, they risk losing their focus from studies to money. And when it comes to money, they may lose, they may get in wrong direction, and may disalign themselves from the long-term career prospects, what they want to become. So I think this is the one of the key points. If they lose focus from their long-term career path, what's the point of doing the low wages job or low skilled jobs?